Sure. So last two readings are very small readings and they are just summarize what we have already discussed. This financial reporting quality would be a bit different from would be a bit different, but then the reading after this will be a summary of all what we have just discussed. So financial reporting quality, when we talk about financial reporting quality, there are two types of qualities: financial reporting quality and earnings quality. So when we say financial reporting quality, we are generally talking about earnings quality and financial reporting quality both. But these two are different concepts. So what is financial reporting quality? It is the quality of financial reports. And what do we mean by quality of financial reports? It means that whether financial reports or the information is in financial reports is fairly represented or not. So uh, if financial reports fairly present the actual position or the performance of the company, that is said to those financial reports have said to have a good quality. That is, if actual position or performance is being reflected in the financial report, then financial reports are said to have good quality. And that means that you can easily assess the, or you can easily perform the assessment of the financial performance or financial report. If you have good quality financial reports, you can easily perform the assessment or analysis. Why? Because you know that what is being shown in the reports is accurate or is the true reflection of performance or position. So if data or information is fairly presented in financial reports, that those financial reports are said to have good quality. What do we mean by earnings quality? Earnings quality means whether earnings quality helps you assess whether earnings are sustainable or not. So if earnings are sustainable, if earnings are high, that is if return is good, if return is high and it is sustainable, then the earnings quality is said to be higher. If return is either not high or not sustainable, then earnings quality is said to be lower. But for you to be able to judge earnings quality, first of all, financial reporting quality should be good. Because if financial reporting quality is itself is not good, if the information being provided to you is not accurate, then you cannot find out whether earnings quality is good or not. Because first you need to have the accurate information. So financial reporting quality helps with assessment, and earnings quality tells you about the sustainability or return of the on the, provided by the earnings. And if earnings quality is high, that will lead to higher value for the company. Good financial reporting quality will help with assessment or analysis, and higher earnings quality would lead to higher value. Any problem, confusion so far? So remember the difference between earnings quality and financial reporting quality. And if financial reporting quality is bad, then this assessment is not possible, and if you are not able to assess, you wouldn't be able to find out whether earnings quality is high or low. So it means if financial reporting quality is low, then automatically earnings quality will be low. If financial reporting quality is high, then you can find out whether earnings quality is high or low. If financial reporting quality is low, then that will impede assessment of earnings quality. You wouldn't be able to assess earnings quality, and when you are not able to assess earnings quality, valuation will be low. If financial reporting quality is high, you will be able to assess, and then if earnings quality is also high, that will lead to higher value. If financial reporting quality is high, you will be able to assess. Once you assess, and then if you find out earnings quality to be low, then value will be lower. So value will depend on earnings quality, but before that, in order for you to find out earnings quality, you need to know the financial reporting quality. So how do you judge the quality over a spectrum, or how do you judge which one what is the best quality or what is the worst quality? So if there is a company which complies with accounting standards and which provides you information which is decision useful, and for which, okay, let's start from bottom. So if there is a company which records fictitious transactions which have not even happened, then that is the worst quality. If there is a company which does not record fictitious transaction but do not comply with the accounting standards, it might be better than recording fictitious transaction but is still a bad quality. Then maybe there is a company which comply with the standards but perform earnings management, that is manipulating the earnings or using estimates or using accounting standards to manipulate the true picture of the company or not presenting the true picture of the company. This will be better than non-compliant accounting but still bad quality. Then there might be company which, let's say, comply with the accounting principles but make biased choices. So for example, for estimated useful life or for inventory valuation, make biased choices. So that is better than this one, but again not the best. Then maybe there is a company which comply with accounting standards, provide decision useful information, do not make biased choices, but have low earnings quality. So if it has low earnings quality, then it is better than this one, but still not the best one. Then there might be a company which comply with accounting standards, provide decision useful information, earnings are sustainable, providing adequate return. So if comply with accounting standards and provide decision useful information, it has high financial reporting quality. If earnings are sustainable and providing adequate returns, it has high earnings quality. So overall, it has high quality of financial reports. Good earnings quality, good reporting quality. So this is the best and this will be the worst. This is how quality of financial reporting can differ, or quality of financial reports can differ from company to company or organization to organization. If a company has high earnings quality, that will lead to high valuation. If a company has low earnings quality, that will lead to lower valuation. For you to assess earnings quality, first you need good financial reporting quality. If financial reporting quality is good, then you can perform the assessment of earnings quality. Now the question is that why would any company or the management sacrifice the financial reporting quality or would manipulate the earnings? What can be the possible motivation? So motivation can be to issue low quality financial report to mask poor performance. Maybe you do not want to show your actual performance which is poor, and so you mask it and you compromise the quality of reports. Managers frequently have incentives to meet or beat market expectations. So in order to meet the market expectations, maybe you manipulate earnings. Career concerns and incentive compensation may motivate accounting choices. Avoiding debt covenant violations can motivate managers to inflate earnings. So these can be the motivations which can actually lead to sacrificing the quality of financial reports.